Welcome to Man Does Tech, where I solve the problems you didn't even know you had.
You begin by creating a minimal Android Studio project and choosing Kotlin or Java. This matters for examples and libraries. Once done, add speech recognizer and text-to-speech dependencies, or ML-Kit if you want on-device models. Make sure to add record audio and modify audio settings in the manifest and request that permission at runtime. Otherwise, your app will fail at the first microphone access. Then scaffold main activity with a basic UI button and permission guard so you can start listening immediately. You wire speech recognizer to a recognition listener and begin listening on button press or a wake trigger. This provides partial and final transcripts. Once you receive text, parse it into intents or commands, use simple keyword maps first, then expand to ML intent models. Make sure to run heavy processing off the UI thread, and when responding, call text to speech. Speak with proper audio focus. Also handle edge cases, no match, ambient noise, and short utterances so the user experience stays smooth. You complete the assistant by finalizing the UI, adding a visual listening indicator, and exposing language and sensitivity settings. Once done, properly release speech recognizer and text-to-speech in on destroy, and persist user preferences so behavior remains consistent. Test on multiple real devices and Android versions, including scenarios with calls or other audio. If things go wrong, first check microphone permission and audio focus. Missing record audio or a denied runtime permission.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.